Hi, business owners. I've often heard you say that some of your key people are just not performing as per your expectations. You have given them feedback, you have been reviewing their action plans regularly, but you still do not see much improvement. मैं क्या करूं? This is your business coach Nalin Mehta. Welcome to my talk series क्या करूं, specially recorded for you. On this topic of people underperforming, I have made another video. This is the second in the series. I do request you to watch the first one also. The good thing is that you are keeping a watch on performance of your key people. You are giving them feedback. I am sure you have documented goals. You have documented KPIs. If not, please do see, I repeat, do see my first video on this topic. The thing is, we often do not dissect the symptoms of underperformance to a sufficient level. We just branding the person as an underperformer, and we have to look little deeper. Is it actions like not devoting enough time to work, or focusing on the wrong things, or not working hard enough? Or is it his or her behavior with his peers, his staff, and there are things that hamper his ability to get cooperation from others? Or simply, it is because he delays decisions, or avoids decisions, or keeps asking you and does not really act independently? We need to assess what is it precisely that is leading to a substandard performance. It kind of helps to bucket the issues in different categories, and I recommend 3 buckets. Look at his actions, bucket 1, look at his behavior, bucket 2, and look at his decision-making abilities as bucket 3. It is likely that once you start listing out your observations in this fashion, you will find most of the points are at best in 2 buckets, mostly in 1 bucket. This exercise helps you to precisely identify the area that needs improvement. And then you are able to give the right kind of mentoring, counseling to your employee. Secondly, it is particularly important to also list out the positives you see in the employee. Please list out the positives also in the same 3 buckets. Do not miss this step. And do this with the same diligence as you did the previous step. This will ensure that you take a balanced judgment on the performance of the employee. So once we have done this, you are all set for having a meaningful one-to-one meeting with the concerned person. Please explain the positives and also the areas of improvement in the same meeting. Follow this procedure and you will notice that your employee is highly receptive to your advice, and he will actually be motivated to improve his or her performance. Then please ask him to submit an action plan as to what he will change in his action, behavior, or decision making to improve his performance. Follow this process, and I assure you, you will get a positive response. To summarize, it's great that you keep a keen eye on the performance of your key team members. Do train your mind to observe them in 3 buckets: actions, behaviors, and decisions. You will get a much clearer picture of the skill sets that need improvement. List out the positives too in similar buckets, and then do your one-to-one meeting giving both the feedback. Let him act on the action plans, give him support to execute those action plans, give him a few months, and I assure you, you will see a marked improvement in the performance. So business owners, hope this Kya Karun talk helps you to get a better level of performance from your team. Thank you very much.